We continue Milford town. There's something worthy of noticing. It's called the Jewelry Square with a nice Brooklyn Boy pork store. Now I wonder what is that. It's like pigs inside.
Brooklyn Boy pork store.
Yes, this is all around how to cook a pork. Yes,
They were
it is.
even open today, but they closed at 2 p.m.
Yes, and here it is a little sneaky. Oh, he has like a lot of pork stuff. If you are not Muslim, you are welcome. The Porcupine, the Porky Morky boys from Brooklyn. And we did not check the other side, but on the other side there are pretty amazing stuff as well. So now we are only checking the shadowy side of the street, like this one here. It is called, well, this is called something. It is called, what's the name of this famous Jožek?
Of what?
The Artisan Exchange, like a little miniature castle.
It's a little art gallery.
Swedish type of house, or Swedish or Nordic or English.
Yeah.
Probably used to be some kind of church before or something. Cottage for the this probably was the house of the guy who established the village. What was the name?
We don't know.
Oh, we forgot. Oh, that was
Sussex.
that was
Sussex, his name was Decker.
Yeah, I was right. Normandy Cottage, 903. Milford National Historic District. Yes. That's one hell of a dwelling space.
Yeah, like if we can raise the
Can't
saw,
take care of it.
right? If we could reduce the saw, that's
Yeah.
Small little windows and
Yes, it's
beautiful arch.
it is something. This house will withstand the winds of time. Now let's talk about the cars in Milford. So this is like
No.
we have to notice that they are up to the date, and these are mostly tourists from neighboring.
If they're tourists, so the cars are rental. No one's gonna go here.
It's always good to own than to
Like,
rent.
we used our car to come here, but we live like 45 minutes away, so it's not a big deal.
I see. Oh, look at that over there. What is that? That must be a cool shop. Oh, this is the guy. He's doing a show, like a magician of some sort.
I don't know.
Yeah, we gotta check. And now we're gonna go to the river.
I don't know if you can walk to the river, but you can definitely drive there.
Yeah, we can walk. The river is down there. I smell the river already. Now here is
Another charming
this
building.
place. It's called Lunch. Michelob Ultra. That's the name of the place, for a lack of better branding. And what is that thing?
It's closed. It's a jewelry shop. Something like that.
Mr. Turano. It's
This
the
is art.
art.
I think he is an art maker.
He is doing some magic with art.
There's no light for the pedestrian. See?
Oh, Walgreens over there.
And now our lights never
Our light never.
Okay, let's just go
No.
this way.
Oh, look at that. Famous Yožek. Look at that house.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's the house I saw when I was googling the towns.
Milford Community House, 1814. That was the city hall before, I guess.
Something like this.
It is nice Roman columns, Victorian. This is the Victorian style, famous Yožek. What type of architecture is that house?
Oh, I don't know. Colonial?
Colonial, because it has columns.
No, not this was the style here during the colonization by Brits.
Oh, these nasty Brits.
It's like
Neo-colonialism empire.
neo-Baroque or something, you know.
Neo-Barocco, Rococo, Boboco. Alright, we saw it. It's nice, has flower gardens, and it's well maintained with all these beautiful trees around. Yeah, it's good.
Drivers are not very nice here.
Yeah. Assholes.
So, and that's it. I think we saw the most beautiful part of it, no?
No, we had to discover the most beautiful part is not the town. It's around the river. Davis R. Chant, realtor, so sorry. I thought it is some. Oh, look at that street. The car just went through it. No through traffic. All right. Over there is Dunkin' Donuts. Auto Spa. What a name, Auto Spa. Oh, what happened here? What's going on? Help. Oh, that's a lovely real estate office. You see, everything is historic value here. Cornelius Bull Law Office, Milford National Historic District, yes. That's the guys that do the rehab, progressive rehab, and brain injury care. Oh, brain injury care and hair. I thought that these are people that are rehabbing houses, because this house is pretty much kept well.
Wouldn't it be magical to stay here for a couple of days?
Yeah, that's a nice colonialism here. I see
No, I
this
mean in that inn.
in the inn.
Breakfast, you know.
Breakfast Inn, Holiday Inn.
3 days.
Oh, there you go. The ABC rehab project here. Somebody will make this property. Oh, another project financed by Wayne Bank. You see, that is a project financed by that bank.
Oh, it used to be bed and breakfast here. John H. Wallace house.
John Wallace Bed and Breakfast. It's now in progress. Yeah, all the houses here are amazing. We keep discovering more and more. Look that over there.
But as I said, the most touristy and beautiful and impressive part we have already explored.
Come on, Jožek, let these people breathe here.
Oh,
They want to work on that. You see, there's a progressive rehabilitation here for your brain. Oh, look at that gazebo. Gazebo. Yeah.
It is raining.
These brain people own half the town.
It's good. If it's that big, it means it's needed.
Maybe people lost their brains when they come here. Somebody has to restore them.
I'm sure it's not the case.
Oppa, there's another one. Hair salon.
SafeSantosFarm.com.
Yes. A legacy full service salon for hair, nails, cuts, waxing, and waxing.
But do you notice that architecture-wise it's totally different from New Jersey? Even though it's right on the border?
Not really
No?
too much, but
No, look at the houses, they're completely different.
yeah, pretty much all the houses in the small towns are pretty much the same. Stick house, wooden construction, with siding, shingles on the top and all this stuff. It cannot be like skyscrapers and stuff.
But they are this kind of colonial houses. Look at the windows. Small windows.
Yeah. Nice houses. Look at that cute house.
Brows, lashes, skincare.
Every house is different and nice here. And very inviting. Everything is so well decorated.
Very cute, very cozy.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Basically,
nice colors.
basically people have style here. They have a fancy sense of lifestyle. Even this one, it looks so cute with the flowers and the tomatoes. This is tomato on the entrance. Good house.
Why people are yelling?
Ah. Why?
Do we look inappropriate?
Of course,
Why?
because you have a short dress.
It's not that short.
Yes. I don't know. Look at that house. Yeehaw. 203rd Street. This is 3rd Street.
Oh, that house is really beautiful.
Yes.
Look at the columns and at this details.
Yes.
Arches.
Arches.
And do you feel the smell? It smells like burnt wood.
Yes. It's the chimneys. The river, I told you. We're gonna go there now. Now let's look at this house before we get there. Famous Jožek will make a review of the house. I believe this is the house that Famous Jožek deserves somehow. And now we're gonna work on that to buy her.
People will all deserve a house like that.
Yeah, every human being deserves a house like this. I like this concept of Famous Jožek. Yeah, what a house. Like brick house. You know the song of,
Very beautiful.
it's called A Brick House.
I'm trying to read one
From Earth, Wind and Fire, I think was the group.
Historic motion picture site.
Oh, we're gonna make a movie here.
Mildred Manning. A former home of silent film stars.
Silent film stars.
Yeah.
Who is that? Brad Pitt?
Mildred Manning, The Green Door, The Things, The Play.
Oh,
Augustus Phillips, husband, actor. So it was a couple.
Frankenstein.
Mildred Manning and Augustus Phillips.
Yeah, this was 1910, like 115 years ago, when the Frankenstein movie was here, like shot in these shadows of this. Look at the lighting, people. I hope we are 4K, I don't know. Now let's, oh my god, there's real renovation inside. But here it is, yeah. Milford National. Yes, all the houses here must be kept historically preserved. That is a good thing. All right. Am I safe? Oh, don't drink. Yeah, amazing house, people. Now let's see what's inside. You see, there is construction going on. That would be brought to its former glory very soon. Probably, if we are alive till the next summertime, we can come and purchase the house. I don't know what we're gonna open. We have to open some like a restaurant, fancy piano bar or something fancy.
You wanna go to the river?
Yeah, let's go to the river because it's time. Yeah, one last glance at the house.
This light blue house is very cute too.
Yeah.
But it's on the busy road.
Yeah, this road is too busy. We don't like busy roads. Well, all these cars, they don't obey the law.
No, they
Oh, there's one. Thank you. One good driver exists in the universe. Now we are going to down the river. Take me come down.
Я уже Филипп голова please.
This is a song, Boat on the River, please. Check this song in the internet by Styx. Eh? Is deep, the river. We are on the quiet street of town. Ha ha!
Looks familiar.
My friend. My friend is waiting. Oh, there's another friend behind. There's like many friends here we have. We need those friends. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Who's Brandon?
It's a joke, Yoshi.
What do you mean? How can this be a joke?
It's a political joke.
Oh, let's go, Brandon.
Yeah, like people were yelling F Biden, but the sport commentator wanted to be nice, and it was some kind of,
Jokester.
soccer, not a soccer, but football or baseball match, and he said, no, The crowd is yelling, "Let's go, Brandon!"
I
Instead
see.
of
I see. I
Yeah.
saw a cat over there. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Hey, this is a mini Darla here, Jožek. A huge Darla. Now we are about to see. Oh ho! Oh ho! Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that. Mini castle. I love your castle.
Thank you very much.
Did you build it yourself?
My husband did.
It's amazing. Mini castle.
Mini castle.
What is the name?
Who knows?
No name?
No.
Maybe we're gonna call it the Orange Castle.
Okay.
Orange Castle is good.
Very good.
What's your name?
Nancy.
Nancy is taking care of the garden.
Yes, I'm the maintenance worker and wife.
I see. Jožek, what are you gonna say about the mini castle? It's like a mini castle, people. Very well done. Simple, square, with the observation deck where the archers can throw axes, bows and arrows and all the stones. Once the zombies come, then Nancy can throw all the stones on the zombies from the top layer of the house. Now, here it is. Silence now. Yeah, I found them.
Don't like tourist people. It's not nice.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Ah, such a nice smell here of luscious
You felt it too.
luscious pine forest. Pine forest is coming and wet. Oh, look at that over there.
So pretty.
We need a little bit. Zona patrolada. Now we need only to take a few shots of those trees because they are so good. The lighting, it's magical. Wow. Wow. Now look at that, people. Look at that. How big that tree is and what carpet what carpet it has here, and then yeah, and there's one more big tree over there. Now I will show you how big they are by comparing them to who? To me, because there's nobody here to compare but to me, just for your entertainment and visualization. And yes, here it is. Right. There you have it. Now you can guesstimate the size of those trees. Opa. Oh. Alright. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. This is how big they are. This is a carpet. All right. All right. This is one of my 5-second meditations. It doesn't have to be meditating the whole day. 20 seconds enough to get back to you, to get back to yourself, to sharpen your senses to the beautiful world and nature that we live in and we don't really appreciate too much. So appreciate. 3 times you have to say these magic words and be grateful for what we have. We have another day today. We are happy to be alive. One more day. Thanks God, thanks the universe, thanks. And we have arrived. Sokil Glen, Thailand. Thailand or Trailhead, something like this. Thailand.
Is it all the way up?
Well, that's the bridge. Well, this is the trail. We can explore. We love this exploration, right?
There's a lot of steps for a tired person like me.
Come on, Jozek. Let's go. We follow you. We follow you everywhere. My notes get too high. Wow. The moisture here makes it so wonderful. The lushness of this forest. Forrest Gump. Caleb was here. Of course he was. Oh wow. That is something. We always find these amazements, these amazing forests. How this happened, we don't know. Look at life and its glorious decay. Even the birds are silent here. They know there's something here. Danger. Spooky. Some spooky ghosts are here. The trees, of course, are magnificent. It's like a Jurassic Park kind of scene. No wonder Frankenstein movies was shot around. Wow. Jack, what do you say about this place? Isn't that magical place? This is magic, people. I hope you see the magic. Unfortunately, camera is showing you just only 1% of what really is here. But hey, 1% is good enough. But if you are here, if you are just here, you will be like, wow. Everything here is take your breath away. Right. I want to go over there. Off the beaten path. Off the beaten path I go. Yes. You're tired? Okay, let's go back to the bed. Oh, we should just lay down on the grass and take a nap of 40 minutes. Then do like a little jijibiji after dream. And then we do something else. Wow. Look at that thing. There's a virus here. Some kind of virus crawling up. It's a vine virus. Yeah, It's a deep forest song. Here,
Correct.
take this. No? All right. I'm back. Famous Yogic is very tired today. Now this is called Sokil Glen in Thailand. You see? that road should be leading to some amazing other place, I guess. Jorzek. Daj no. All right, we have to say something for the end of the video. We saw the river, we saw this amazing stuff. Famous Jorzek will tell you.
Be kind, people. Don't be tired like me.